Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of membership sites and exploring how they can be a powerful tool for generating passive income online. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or entrepreneur, membership sites offer a scalable way to monetize your expertise and build a loyal community of subscribers. Let's uncover the secrets to maximizing passive income with membership sites. Membership sites are online platforms where users pay a recurring fee for access to premium content, resources, or services. They provide a predictable revenue stream and foster a sense of exclusivity and belonging among members. Let's delve deeper into the concept of membership sites and their potential for passive income generation. The first step in creating a successful membership site is choosing the right membership model. We'll explore different membership models such as subscription-based, tiered pricing, and one-time fee, and how to determine which model aligns best with your audience and content offerings. Compelling content is the cornerstone of any successful membership site. We'll discuss strategies for creating valuable and engaging content that resonates with your target audience, keeps them coming back for more, and adds perceived value to your membership offering. Building a sense of community is essential for retaining members and fostering loyalty. We'll explore tactics for fostering community engagement, such as discussion forums, live Q&A sessions, member events, and peer-to-peer networking opportunities. Member retention is key to maximizing passive income with membership sites. We'll discuss strategies for reducing churn, increasing member lifetime value, and keeping your members happy and satisfied over the long term. While membership fees are the primary revenue stream for membership sites, there are additional monetization opportunities to explore. We'll cover strategies for upselling premium content, offering add-on services, and partnering with affiliate programs to diversify your revenue streams. Automation and scalability are essential for efficiently managing a membership site and maximizing passive income. We'll discuss tools and technologies for automating routine tasks, scaling your membership site as your audience grows, and freeing up your time to focus on strategic growth initiatives. Analyzing key metrics and iterating your strategies is crucial for optimizing the performance of your membership site. We'll explore important metrics to track, such as churn rate, retention rate, engagement metrics, and revenue growth, and how to use data-driven insights to refine your membership site strategy. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of membership sites. We hope you found these insights valuable in maximizing passive income with your own membership site. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and strategies on building a successful online business. Until next time, happy membership site building.